You know, there's this invisible force working on your money every single second of every single day. It's powerful enough to either build you a massive fortune or keep you stuck in debt forever. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and figure it out.
So think about it for a second. What if the one thing standing between you and your financial goals, or the one thing holding you back, was just a single concept? And what if you could actually master it, starting today?
Yep, that one thing is interest. It's a word we hear all the time, right? But do we really, truly get just how much power it has over where we end up financially?
And here's the kicker. Interest is happening to your money right now. If you don't get the rules of the game, it's probably playing against you. But if you do, you can totally flip the script and turn it into your most powerful ally for building wealth. So let's break down exactly how.
Just imagine this invisible current in the ocean of your finances, always pulling your money one way or another. So what is this force, really?
Okay, at its absolute core, it's super simple. Interest is just the cost of using money. That's it. Think of it like a rental fee. You either pay the fee or you collect it.
And it really comes down to two sides of the exact same coin. When you borrow money, like on a credit card or for a car loan, you are paying that fee. But when you lend your money, say by just putting it in a savings account, the bank pays you. And the secret ingredient that makes it all work? Time. The more time goes by, the bigger the impact of interest becomes.
So you can see interest is this total double-edged sword. It can be an amazing, powerful tool that builds you wealth, or it can be a devastating trap that just keeps you spinning your wheels. Let's look at both sides.
Okay, first up, let's talk about the trap. When you borrow, especially with high-interest stuff like credit cards, you're constantly paying extra. I mean, think about it. That $300 gadget you bought on a credit card could easily end up costing you $500 if you only ever make the minimum payments. It's that brutal combo of high interest rates and time that creates a debt cycle that is so hard to escape. And this quote really gets to the heart of what that feels like. Every single dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you can't use for your future. You're just stuck. You're constantly paying for things you already bought, instead of investing in what's next.
But what happens when we flip that script completely? When you save and invest, you literally make interest your employee. It goes to work for you. Your money starts earning more money. Then that new money also starts working, earning even more. It's quiet, but man, it's the powerful engine that creates real wealth.
So if the goal is to get interest working for you, what's the secret sauce? Do you need a huge income? A big inheritance? Nope, not at all. It's actually something that we all have access to.
It's time. Time is your single most valuable asset here. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much time you give your money to grow. And the engine that uses time as its fuel, well, that's a little thing called compound interest.
You've probably heard this before, but compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, right? But it keeps picking up more snow, getting bigger and faster as it goes. It's interest earning interest on itself, over and over again. And this is how that incredible growth cycle works. Your money earns interest. Great. That interest gets added to your original pile. Then, the next time around, you earn interest on that new, bigger pile. The cycle just repeats and repeats, and your money starts to grow faster and faster. The one thing it rewards more than anything else: patience.
So now you see it, right? You see the two paths. You get the force of interest, and that, right there, puts all the power back in your hands. The choice is yours to make. Because here's the thing you absolutely have to remember. The biggest mistake you can possibly make is just ignoring it. Because interest doesn't care if you pay attention to it. It just keeps on working day in and day out, either for you or against you.
All right, let's boil this all down to the key things to remember. Number one, interest is simply the price of using money. Number two, when you borrow, you are the one paying that price. 3, when you save or invest, you are the one earning it. And finally, never ever forget that time is your greatest superpower in this whole equation.
So I want to leave you with this final thought. Take a second and just be honest with yourself about your own situation. Right now, in this moment, is interest working for you or is it working against you? Is it a tool that's building your future or is it a trap that's keeping you paying for the past? Seriously, the answer to that question could change everything.